Okay, I assume every of you have already uh, installed Endnote in your laptop, and then we are going to start to explain how to use the Endnote. By watching this video, you will be able to do a few activities, including import reference from database into Endnote, cite once you are writing in Microsoft Word, and also you will be able to generate list of the reference in your Microsoft Word. For those of you who have not installed the Endnote yet, please go to resource and follow the instruction to have Endnote in your laptop. Okay, let's get started. For all field, meaning that medical and biological science, usually PubMed is one of the most commonly searched database to find out the related article. Okay, I start with PubMed. I put the keywords PRP in search box and I click. I got about 12,000 articles related to PRP. Let's say we want to use the second article for our write-up, then we need to cite it. Then we want to add it to our Endnote library. Okay, go to Send To, click on Citation Manager and create a file. A file will be created and you will be able to import it to your Endnote library. How you do it? Go to File, click on Import. A window will be open. Click on the filter. Another window will be open. Since we did search in PubMed, you have to choose PubMed here. Click on it and choose. Then the reference that you have choose from PubMed will automatically added or imported to your reference list in Endnote library. ScienceDirect is another commonly used database in our field. I put a keyword here. I got different references, different articles. Let's say I want to choose this. Click in the box, go to Export Citation. A window will be opened. Do remember to click on Content Format, choose Citation Only, and Export Format have to be RIS, and then Export. A file will be automatically created, and if you click on that file, the reference will be added to your library. Google Scholar is another website that comes in our database that usually we look at the articles that we need. Here again, I put platelet-rich plasma in the search box and click. I got about more than 1 million articles that actually is related to the platelet-rich plasma. Click on this arrow, click on Settings, and a new window will be open. Under Bibliography Manager, click in this box, choose Endnote, and Save. Then for any search that you are going to do after this in Google Scholar, there would be a tab, Import into Endnote. If I click here, a file will be created. Once I open the file, a reference will be added automatically to the Endnote library. Another option that we have in Endnote is to add the full text of the article that we have in our reference list to our library. How we do it? Click on Reference, Attachment, Attach File. Click on the file that you want or PDF file that you want to add. Don't forget to use PDF Quick Edit. And once you click, a copy of the full text will appear here in a box just beside of the article information in your library. There is another option in Endnote that you have to insert reference manually. When we can use it, usually if you want to insert a reference from a web page, book, chapter, or conference proceedings which is not online, or sometimes if we get a figure or table from a source, we have to key in the data manually. It's not a very friendly option in Endnote, however, sometimes we need to use it. It's not friendly because we have to insert or type all the information here in each box separately. We have to type it. Accepted format of citation in UCSI is Harvard, and I'm introducing this style to you. In Harvard formatting, this is the order of the information that you need to have for journal article. So we start from the author last name, initial, year of the publication, article title or name of the journal, 1 year. If there is any issue, we have to add it in the bracket, and the last part is page number. Almost similar for the book and conference proceedings. You can go through it later yourself. Okay, next activity is once you're writing in Microsoft Word, how you can cite using Endnote. Once we install Endnote, there would be a toolbar in the ribbon that you will see. If you click on it, you will get this information. And one of these tab is Cite While You Write preference. Click on it. Choose Harvard as the preference reference format. Click on the articles that you want to add and insert. Okay. Based on how you write your text, you have a few options to present your data. If, for example, I want to say SME 2030, suggests that the PRP is one of the options for the pigmentation trophy, then the name of the author is outside of the bracket, but the year is inside the bracket. Or alternatively, I can say, for example, PRP has been mentioned as one of the options for pigmentation trophy. Then at the end of the sentence or a statement, I have to mention who have funded SME 2013. For all of this, we can do some adjustment in Endnote to get the proper style. Go to the Endnote tab, edit and manage citations. Once you click, there would be a window that all the reference that you have in your text will appear here. For any of them that you want to change the format, click on that reference, go to formatting. The default is author name and year of the publication, but sometimes we need to have only author name outside of the bracket and the year inside the bracket. Depending on how you have written your sentence, you may need to choose one of these formats. Yeah, these are the example of how we can actually have the in-text citation. Maybe the author and the year is inside the bracket, or sometimes the author name is outside of the bracket and only year is here. And then at the end of the Microsoft Word, you will have a list of all those references that you have inserted in your text. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me through the email that I have displayed in the first slide.